All right, here we are, Bowling Green, Kentucky. That over there is Corvette Museum. This gas station. This, the Sin 10 meets the Black Pearl.
Broke as usual.
Pouring transmission fluid out, changing the fitting. 5 miles from LSFest.
You know, only the best braking in the world.
Dude, that thing is beef.
Thanks, man. I like to live my life 14060 at a time. Hey, I did too until I said 80 times. Nothing crazy. We got a wallboard 525 in the back, and it's flexible, capable.
Is it?
It's a Ford 9-inch rear end out of a 78 Bronco. I got a strange center section for it. I blew the center section about a couple months ago.
Oh,
I got 35
man.
spline axles, Detroit locker.
I just put an Eaton TrueTrac in mine like 4 nights ago.
Night and day difference.
Yes.
I have the sway bars front and right, and TK Racing sway bars front and rear.
Holy crap, man.
203, 205 double or transfer case. Dana 44 front with locker in the front. 31 spline shaft in the front. I've had the solid axle swap done for about 2 years. I've had the LS swap done for about 5 years, but I only had the turbo done for about a year now. It's a little dirty under here. It's tight as hell. I have it set up where I can still run AC. A 78, 75 turbo, little ching-chang setup. Had it on the dyno at 14 PSI. It was right about 460 horsepower, and it was 560 horsepower.
Holy shit. I haven't had mine on the dyno yet, and my engine is still bone stock in mine. But
this is the worst of worst LS you can ever get. This is a 99 LS1 out of a Corvette with the factory composite head gaskets, untouched gap rings, Gen 3.
damn, man.
I run it about 6 to 8 PSI regularly. I mean, I've cranked it up to 14 a few times, but I don't do that.
Yeah, I don't blame you. I've hit 10 or 12 in mine, and I got the stock injector, so it will start leaning out when I get up there.
Yeah, I'm running a Decca 80, or six thick 80s. I was running some snake eaters, but they just kind of went south real quick.
I got some 60-pound fast fuel injectors, but I just haven't had time to put them in there. I've had them for like 2 years, and I've just been driving it on the stock injectors. But
This thing's sweet.
dude, it's a blast. It's only a 4.8, it's only bone stock, but it's 5-speed posi track. Like, it's just a hot rod, you know?
It's a fun ride then.
Yeah, it's a blast. Got the piping going through my floorboard, down and back to the turbo back there. It's crazy.
Unreal. We got some ingenuity in this thing.
Yeah,
Don't
like,
tell me it's in the cooler. Okay.
it's down there. My line going into my transmission is dry. That means my throwout bearing ruptured. Ooh. Can't break down if you haul the thing, right?
They can, but it's a Ram. It's all right.
S10LIFE.org, get you some Black Widow exhaust. Alright, so we've been here for what, like an hour and a half or something like that?
Something like that.
Long time. Denny is here though. Denny is here, saving the day. Woo! Motherfucking woo! Yes. Bro, I'm so glad you made it. Life's hard. Somebody will have to shoot.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Need to go to the left. I'm taking transmission loose from this cross member and taking this cross member loose from the frames where everything is loose back here, so I can get enough clearance to put the jack on this and roll it to get my hands in there and replace the parts. The parts I gotta the part I gotta change is inside.
I see that. This is the first time it's ever came out since you put it in there? How many years has that been?
Like 5 or 6.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it did really good. That's the first official breakdown of it. I'm not mad about it.
At least it wasn't the transmission.
Alright. Status update. Could not get the truck to bleed. Could not get it to bleed the clutch. Tried and tried for like 4 hours straight. Could not get the clutch to bleed. It's 5 o'clock on Saturday, day 2 of LS Fest, and I haven't even got there yet. So we've already paid for everything. We're just gonna go on down there and enjoy it today. Probably work on the truck some more tonight, if I can think of any ideas.
Dynamic, this is the deal here. It has to be recent Chevrolet. Run what you got, you got enough. Rodney Moon, Budweiser side.
I like your shirt.
Oh, thanks. I've had so many people stop me. James from Cletus's crew stopped me and was like, oh my god, I love her shirt. Squirrel was with them, so it was really funny.
got true dual 3 inches on this, comes all the way back, and it is still loud.
Damn,
500,000 miles, all stock. Nah, there's no way I could sell it. You could offer me $1 million.
Is this one of them Black Widow trucks?
Yeah.
A little bit of oil and brake fluid everywhere. But the clutch works again. We're gonna make it. I'm gonna go get a shower. Turbo oil return line into the neck. Not a very good seat. Leaking out of here, running down my valve cover, going down back there by the collector, and smoking. Shower time. I gotta go. Well, LSFest Day 3 finally made it here. About to take the breezer out for sure. Yeah, it goes right through the firewall.
Where's the turbo at?
I'll show you, it's back here. It's right there. That's what I'm talking to. Oh, that's Woo!